Alright, so what we have here is that in the right triangle, this right triangle, we have the cosine of theta is 5 over 13, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So if this is theta, this is the adjacent, right? This would be the opposite, this would be the adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle, right? So if the cosine of theta is a over h, and it's 5 over 13, a is 5 and h is 13, right? So we want to know the tangent, and tangent is O over a, right? So if I want to know the tangent of this, I want to find this right here, right? Over a, right? And we know that a is 5, right? So actually you can immediately cross off a and c, and you can cross off can't be determined because we can determine it, right? And it's a right triangle, right? So to figure out what the opposite is, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, right? So if a is 5, this is 5, and the hypotenuse is 13, right? You can do Pythagorean theorem, which would be 5 squared plus x squared, or O, this is the O, this is the x squared, is 13 squared, right? And once you solve for this, put in your calculator, or you can just know that it's a triple and it's a 5, 12, 13. Once you solve for this, and I do x squared is 13 squared minus 5 squared, we'd get x squared is 144. That would make x 12, so that makes the O 12, right? So the tangent of theta, which is O over A, is 12, right? O over A, which we know is 5, 12 over 5, would be answer choice D.